Nigerians calling President Tinubu to resign over not capable to rule Nigeria. It don't happen. Oh. They say that the Nigeria youth now, everybody they paro give the president, say make him come down, oh, because everywhere don't red, nothing they go at all. Even the dollar where they claim say they don't do dollar don't come down, but price of things are still going up. Now the country, every Nigerian now don't call Tinubu say make him come down. I beg you need to watch this video, may you see wetin dey happen for inside this place. So okay, my people, watch the video before we come back. Welcome back to News Info. We still dey here. Watch the video.
Go live and make it resign. Make Tinubu resign, bro. With the verse, make Tinubu resign. Okay. The system they bad with the verse.
Things cost for markets.
With the verse. Now at a painter, at a buy paint. Those days at a buy paint 7,000. A paint or paint, a cup of paint now is 15,000.
I don't know why God carried this Tinubu put for. Anyway, he say 9 ton. Maybe saying win and bet 9 ton. And say he can't become a ton true.
So no single.
Living in Nigeria now, currently, I be. You get mind, they ask me that kind of question.
Hey, now the worst administration I'm this, the worst. Since where God created this two world, where Nigeria come, now the worst administration I'm this.
You go to the market today, you see a different price. You go tomorrow, you see a different price. And you are talking of a foreign investor who will come and invest in such an economy. As currently in Nigeria is that you can't plan with it. Even with your current salary, you can't do budget with it. You can't do budget with it. You go to market today, 2,000. You go to market today, 3,500. And even this thing now give room to most of the people that sold communities in the market.
Fuel is 1,000 now.
Are you serious?
Fuel is 1,000 now. If you say, look at the filling station, they are not selling the fuel. So as I enter the motor, I check the filling station too. This filling station, they are not selling the fuel. So I was just wondering this morning. I don't know where we are going. No. Don't know where we are going. Things is very good.
No joy.
This place no be like before, like cars no plenty.
Now bad government now.
Bad government, that's for everything.
Bad government. Where Tinubu they use all they play?
Tinubu they do waiting.
You see a whole president, see our country, see as Nigeria look like. Is it good? Man, Emilokan, everybody, somebody must be there.
Now how does it feel?
It's like we are living in hell.
Nigeria is like hell.
Hell, no different within Nigeria and the hell.
But there's no war here now. There's no chaos. You know.
If you can't get freedom, access to something, there's no difference within the situation we are staying now and the hell. No big difference.
So this one tough.
Tough, even tough as hell.
What's it cost?
Now the system of the government, now they will put wrong man here. Without being told, we know that me and you, then the now will be the mandate. Even the air, no, the sand, no, the sea, no. They deny this strong man the mandate.
So now they bring this hardship.
And they bring the hardship, and person will not know in left and right.
Give the wrong person.
Give wrong person. When they don't say Tinubu, everything. Buhari have not been better part Tinubu 1 million times.
Buhari done better part Tinubu.
1 million times, brother.
So as a country, what's your suggestion?
Bro, as a country now, personally to me, bro. President to me, I want make the youth, the only thing to solve this mess, if there will be revolution in this country,
yes,
that's the only thing that will end this mess.
Revolution will end this mess.
We end this mess. If the youth can wake up, have one voice.
But people are scared, like because of what
happened
during the NSAS.
That's the only solution, no, brother. Let the youth wake up and take the right.
Nigeria youth now, so you near the.
Of course, I'm trying my best in social media.
Yes.
Just log in, James. I'm trying my best. I'm trying to change things on my own side.
But no joy now.
No. Where I see joy,
if you
bro.
meet Jagaban one-on-one now,
I go to live and make it resign. Make Tinubu resign, bro. With the verse, make Tinubu resign. Okay. The system they bad with the verse.
Things cost for markets.
With the verse. Now at a painter, at a buy paint. Those days at a buy paint 7,000. A paint or paint, a cup of paint now is 15,000.
To paint car.
A cup, we do buy paint before 6,000-7,000. A cup now is 15,000. Filler now at 31,000 naira.
And customer know they come like before.
You can say we just stay here in the morning. this month, we say every short of the bubble. The system of government is bad. If you see through top, the system of
Valentine for Nigeria.
Again. Not Valentine now. What they want you celebrate now?
What will you rate this current administration, man?
0.
0.
Yeah.
100.
I tell you that it's 0 over 100 because nothing good is coming out of it. You could remember last time we talked now, I said we don't want him. But look at where they are keeping us now. They are taking us to where we don't know. We don't even know where we are going. We don't know.
Things are tough.
Tough.
What do you think Nigerians can do to hold them accountable?
Protest. If we protest, maybe the better way. But who wants to die? Because if we come out now and say, let me protest. Revise is the case. You cannot go back, you cannot go front.
So we should just endure and just continue the suffering.
Sometimes when we say, like, we Christians, we say God of Israel will intervene for us. But if you look at now, Israel, they are fighting on their own. Israel, they are fighting on their own.
While Nigeria is fighting.
Why we now, who want to fight for us? Is it not better we come out, whatever thing that will happen, let it happen?
All right, man. Auntie, thank you so much. God bless you. But this current administration, sir.
Hey, now the worst administration I'm be this, the worst. So, since we God created this two world, where Nigeria come, now the worst administration I'm be this. I don't know why God carried this Tinubu put for. Anyway, he say 9 ton. Maybe saying win and bet 9 ton. And say it can't become in turn true.
So no single enjoyment for
no single enjoyment, nothing.
So since day one.
See today na 14th now, but you not even hear them for radio.
Valentine.
Yes, you not even hear them. Nobody they celebrate them. Nothing. Even for our line here, we they give news now say they don't cancel them.
They cancel Valentine.
Because of the condition of Nigeria. Nigeria, well, not be matter of Ash Wednesday. Now the condition of the country, now make nobody they talk about Valentine again.
Celebrate Valentine with your wife.
What now they celebrate now? Person never see money buy food to eat. Now Valentine they go celebrate. Then they take empty hand celebrate Valentine.
What do you expect? What do you think Nigerians can do to hold our people accountable
for this present administration? Now to just find way remove that Tinubu, put another person.
Maybe remove Tinubu.
That is to remove and put another person. Make him resign. Yes, you no go fit. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. So living in Nigeria now, how does it feel?
My brother, I feel very good. I don't have any complaint.
Today na Valentine.
Yes, okay. I'm taking my wife for yonder now.
So the Valentine, no problem.
There's no problem.
Complain, say the economy top, say Jagaba.
I never know. The Nigeria is very good. Problem.
Waiting day Nigeria where they give you joy now.
That's not my life. I must be happy. When you go to mortuary and go to hospital, we see people lying down there. Yeah. So I'm happy that I'm alive.
Now, first way they are alive, he complain.
Yes.
Dead no fit complain.
No way.
So Nigeria go better.
Nigeria go better by grace of God.
What will you say of this current administration, Tinubu?
My brother, I don't have anything to say. I'm not a politician because the country is already in a good shape, so I don't need to complain, as I told you earlier.
Very high. Look at our meeting now. Everything is highly cost.
Everything don't go
high.
Is it this administration that is incompetent that is bringing this toll and hardship on the citizens?
Yes, exactly. That is it.
Jagaba.
No, that Jagaba, let me the problem. The style of leadership. That is the problem that we are facing now.
What do you think Nigeria can do to hold our government officials accountable?
What we can do now, the only solution now is to work our refinery so that we can refine fuel in Nigeria, so that fuel can be cheap, so that the transportation can be low, so that we can buy things in the market cheap.
So fuel is a major problem,
yes,
Nigeria.
Fuel is a major problem now in Nigeria now. The major problem now is fuel.
People are calling for, say, this is one of the worst administrations in the history of Nigeria, for a revolution.
Exactly. As to me, what I observe.